Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Let's solve the problem sum of left leaves. Before starting this problem, I have created a Facebook group for my channel. You can join that group like Cook Code Travel and I will approve. So let's solve the problem. Find the sum of all the left leaves in a group in a given binary tree. So we have a binary tree which is like 3 starting from the root node 9, 20, 15, 7. So there are 2 left leaves. So these are the left leaves, while the 7 is the right leaves. So we have total 3 leaves while the 2 is left leaf. So we have to return the sum of them. So it is 9 plus 15, which is 24. So answer is 24. So how we will solve this problem? So let's understand. So we will start, like if you know normally like basic traversal of tree like DFS traversal or BFS traversal, you can easily solve this problem. It doesn't need any extra effort. It just need a one trick, like just a one more condition. So here this is our root node. We will check if root is null. If root itself null, like there is no node in our tree, then we will just simply return 0 as our answer. After that we will check is root has left child. Yes, if root has left child, we will check root has left child. And if that left child is leaf, left child is leaf, in that case we will return the value of that root dot left value, which is 9 here, and we will add the sum from the right subtree as well. So this is our right subtree, and this will be like we will call root dot left right here. After that, the same method. So once we start from here, 9 is the left leaf. So 9 plus the sum from the right subtree, which is this starting from 20. Then once we go to the 20, we will check root dot left exists and is leaf. Yes, it is leaf. So we will add 15 here and then call the right for 7. Then after that there is no, and it is a leaf but it is not left leaf. So we will just simply return the 0. So hence the sum is 9 plus 15, which is 24. So this is very simple. So let's quickly implement this code. So for code implementation, first we will check if root is equal to null, then return 0. If root has left child not equals to null and the root dot left is null and root dot left dot right, this is the condition checking whether the root dot left is leaf node. If it is, then return root dot left dot value plus the value from the right subtree. So this will be sum of left leaves from the right subtree, which is root dot right. If it is not the case, we will just simply return root dot left subtree plus root dot right subtree. So this is simplest, quickest recursive implementation. So if we compile, we will get the we are getting 0. Why? So this should be sum plus 24. Why we are getting this root dot left dot val? If this condition is wrong here, it should be a null, not null. So now we will get the answer. It is 24. Let's submit this, and it is accepted, and it is a recursive. So the time complexity of this solution is O of n. We have to visit all the nodes in our tree, and the space complexity is constant plus the space complexity of the recursive stack. So how we will solve this problem in BFS way, basically using the level order traversal. We can also solve this problem with the BFS way. So for that we will again do the root. If root is null, then simply return 0 from here itself. Otherwise we will use a queue data structure for level order traversal and add the tree node itself in the queue. And after that we will first add the root node in our queue. Then we will iterate over until the queue dot size is greater than 0, and here we will initialize a sum variable from the 0, which will track all the sum of left leaves. Now we will first poll the node from the q dot poll the value. Then we will check if root dot left not equals to null, and if root dot left, same condition, there is no change, just extra condition, equals to null, and root dot left dot right equals to null, which means it is a left leaf, then we will add sum plus sum is equal to sum dot root dot left dot val. And otherwise, if it is not leaf, then we will simply add that node into our queue, which is root dot left. This is like a condition of simple level order traversal. This is the extra condition we are doing here. And if root dot right, like right node exists, then we will simply add that into the queue as well, q dot add root dot right. And after everything, once q is empty, we will return the sum, which will be the sum of all the left groups. So let's compile this as well. And it is, there is root dot right RIGST, somewhere is it line number 31. So here it should be not equals to null. So this will work. Let's submit this code directly and it will accept it. So the time complexity of this solution is also O of n, and in worst case the space complexity of this solution may go O of n. So this is the level order traversal iterative solution. So if you like my solution, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. We can also do this in a one line as well, but that is very ugly. Like just do using the ternary operator, return like root. If root is null here first, then we will return 0. Otherwise, we will check if root dot left not equals to null and root dot left equals to null and root dot left right equals to null. In that case, it is a left leaf, then we will return root dot left dot val plus the sum from the right subtree, so which is the same method. So we will add it here, and then root dot right. Otherwise, we will just call for both the method root dot left plus the root dot right. So that's it. So this is a one liner, but which is very ugly. So I don't recommend to write like go with the one liner and all. So that's it. Thank you. See you tomorrow.